going down here to get a beer. You fucking wait. Hey Randy, I'm in the trailer park.
Hi you guys!
Over here.
That son of a bitch. Hey. I gotta get this copper. God damn. Gotta get down to this house. Ow! Wow, that hurt. I'm thinking get me some copper. Uh-oh. I hear some motherfucker coming. Fuck! Get that shit the fuck away from my fucking face, motherfucker. Okay, son? I'm not breathing hard.
This is breathing for me.
Fuck you!
Fuck you, motherfucker! Fuck you, motherfucker!
Pointed at it.
Fuck you, motherfucker!
Mad! You're mad! Quit being mad, Alex!
Carry his fucking medal over there. I'm tired of it. This is fucking your job. How you like that? It ain't always gonna be copper. This is your bitch. Fuck. Now I'm just freaking out, man. It's okay, man. I know what I know, and I know I don't like that nutsack.